What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. It is finally time to see that thing, man. I have never been this excited to just clean a bike and just get it off the truck and just hear it and just see it and just sit on it. I never rode one of these bikes before. This model, I never rode one, so man, the thing is still on the truck. So I'm gonna pull the truck up right here, check out the bike, go wash it, come back, offload it, and then hear that thing crank up for the first time, man. I can't wait, dog. It's time to shine, man. If you guys got your ticket, good luck. I'm sure at this point, the tickets are low, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it, dog. Alrighty, here it is, bright and early on the West Coast, the best coast, man. Can start by taking this little Harley little thing off right here real quick. We'll try to find some background to this. We'll sit that right over there somewhere. But man, this thing is looking really good, dog. I'm so excited. I don't even want to wait no longer. I'm about to hop right in the truck. Take the, oh yeah, I'm gonna keep the tour pack in here. I'm gonna take all the little tools out though. And then we're gonna go right to the car wash and get this thing pressure washed up and come back and get it looking good, man. All right, man, we didn't knock the dust off of it. I should have brought more singles, but it's good enough for sure. We for sure can take it to the house and offload it. It's definitely looking way better than it was. That orange is popping, dog. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Oh, we big road glides in effect, man. It's time to get this thing to the crib. Get it cleaned up, take the bags off and everything. Gotta go put some air in this tire really quick while I'm out. So we'll just have to see about that real quick. But it is looking good. Y'all know these air machines at the gas station never work. These ones for sure don't. But we're getting some good air pressure now. 21 PSI. Now that we got that tire pumped up, man, I should have freaking got that tour pack cleaned off. I totally forgot about it. But y'all know me, I'm not really a tour pack riding type of guy. So I'm not really gonna worry about it right now. But it's time to get home and get this thing offloaded. I cannot wait, dog. This is crazy. I'm really excited about this one. They just made it back to the crib. Time to offload that thing. That black is dirty, but we for sure gonna get it clean, man. Let's offload this joint real quick. Guys, here we have it. 2018 Road Glide Special. It does have the 107 on it. Still pretty dirty, of course. Got to throw our touches on it, but it wasn't as dirty. It's not as dirty as it was, that's for sure. Looked like they picked it up in August of 2020, so it's been sitting at the auction for a good 6-7 months now. Looks like it has these turbines, and he put this little wheel liner around it. I had that on my Camaro back in the day. Already blacked out forks, so we don't gotta black those out. Everything is blacked out on this bike. That's the best part about the special. Everything is already blacked out. It looks like it does have some 2-in-1 Vance and Hines pipes on there, so we'll get to check those out pretty soon. Everything on it on this side is looking good. However, they did say it was damaged because of the side, and that's the only damage I see. Both of those right there, along with the fairing right here. And literally we could probably keep that just like that if we just wanted to ride it and cruise it. But it does look really good. The color is really nice on it. You can check out this side. Looks like he upgraded to like the single shifter, so that's pretty cool. That is pretty nice, dude. I am digging it. Looks like it has fresh spark plugs. The brakes on it are really good. I don't know, we'll have to check it out. We'll have to check it out, man. I want to get this thing cleaned up a little bit more than it already is. And then it does already have the bars on it. And these are like some 8-hanger bars. Now I can easily keep these bars and just tilt them back a little bit and I'll be fine. I think that's what I want to do. If I'm able to, I believe I am. Just bring them back some and then we'll be good there. But it is a really good looking bike, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. No power on this thing, but we'll get it cleaned up first and then take that seat off, get some juice to that battery and try to get it fired up for you, man. I want to hear it just as much as you do, dog. Trust me. Alrighty guys, we got that thing cleaned down. It is looking really good. I should pull it in the sun so you guys can get the full effect, because this garage is taken away right now. But I think that's what I'm gonna do, because we want to get this thing started up anyway and see what's up. But man, now that's way better. Now we got this thing cleaned up a little bit. Now I was gonna clean the wheel, but you literally gotta scrub a dub for this thing to look still like, well, it'll come back, but that's a lot of work right now. I'm not really worried about the wheels being clean, but man, the whole bike already is looking good. You guys see right here, that's literally nothing. You don't even notice it. The other bag is over there. We'll throw those on after we get this thing cranked up and see what it's looking like. But it's just about that time, man. We got this thing all cleaned up. Trying to figure out which way I want to go with this one. I know I want to paint it. I think I want to just paint it and go fast. Of course, I want to bust it down to the frame, but everything is already blacked out, so I kind of really want to get on my go fast side for a minute. But just a thought. I don't know what I want to do just yet, but let's get this battery connector connected and see if we can get this thing started or something, man. I need to hear it, dog. Y'all hear it here first, man. We got this thing cranked up and running. Sounding good. Looking good. Oh my God. Let me hurry up and see. I need to see what these bags on all running, man. I'm not about to play with y'all. I'm about to put the bags on and everything. Let's see what we got here. is loud. Woo, I'm digging it. Let's see. Let's put these bags on real quick. Man, this thing is looking good, dog. I'm definitely about to hop on this thing right now. I ain't even about to hold y'all. I'm about to take it around here with y'all, but all goes well, man. I will probably slide this thing today, dog. Let's see. Let's see. This motherfucker. Y'all hear them pipes back there? Oh no. Oh no. Probably gotta go get a new battery or something, but it sounded good for a minute, man. Dang, it's always something. All right, man. So we got this thing cranked back up. I'm definitely about to go get a battery for it so we ain't gotta deal with all this. But I want y'all to hear this exhaust real quick. I want y'all to hear this exhaust, man. That thing sounds good. Crazy. All right, man. So I didn't have to go in the house, get some breakfast and stuff, reset. Cause like I said, I just hopped on the road, got up this morning, got in the shower and all that, came out here and just hopped on it. But finally ate some food. But in the meantime, we did fish out the battery. About to go get a new one right now and then go for a ride after that. Make sure it rides and everything A1 without cutting off, and get some gas, clean these wheels up, and see what we gonna do from there, man. I gotta figure it out. This thing is looking so good back here. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got the road glide back there, man. We got the street glide back there, man. I already ordered the parts for you guys' bike. I say you guys because that bike is gonna go to whoever wins the bike, man. So I ordered a CVO rear fender. I ordered a new set of bags. I ordered the little saddle bag rail guards as well, so we don't have that old electric glide look. Ordered an interfering because we're gonna be getting the interfering painted color match. This is gonna be a really nice bike, man. So whoever wins it, man, I can't wait for you guys to shine. We're gonna throw some flavor on there for you, man. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna get it in. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what you think about the road glide so far, man. It's time to go up, man. Until next time, though, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.